Right, I just come for a couple hours on a bit of my local pasture, and weather's gorgeous, so I thought I'm not going to miss out on today. So catch you up first signal. Right, my first signal. Again a lovely 76, 77 signal, sweet as a nut. Dirt clod out, chucked spare muck out, and there you go. Look at that. Not bad for a first signal, that. Yep, happy with that. Looks like a George 5th. Yeah, it is. George 5 Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next good signal. Flipped it out to oil. And there you go. Looks like a live round. Definitely looks like a live round. Yep. Yeah. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, next oil, I've got a 64 in here. And I don't know what it is. Don't know. I'll clean it up later, and if I come up with out, I'll let you know. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, again 80, 81, 82 signal here. Bit of ice. Looks like back of the doorknob. Doorknob would have fitted at this end. This end, I think. And that would have fitted to the door. Right. That's alright. It's not iron. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal, give me a 54. I've got a couple of signals in here, and I found them both. It looks like part of an old penknife. That's one piece, and here's other piece. But, so there you go. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, that was about 9 or 10 inch deep, that. There you go. Oh, what it is. Just give it a minute, I'll clean it up. Right. I don't know whether it's part of a picture frame or what. But it's old. Got some right patina on it. So, right, there you go. Back to your next one. Right, next signal. Looks like 2 pence. No, it's a 10 pence. Decimal 10 pence. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, next signal. It looks like another modern coin. Yep. It's a 2 pence. Elizabeth II 2 pence. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, next signal. Really crusty coin. Definitely a coin. Tell with edge on it. It's crusted up well. More likely to be a 2 pence. Modern 2 pence. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, 2 signals in here. Of this one, which is a mid-range. Right, and have another, I think it's there. I think it's, I'm not sure if it's a button or a coin. Chucked it in. There you go. So it's George 5th or George 6th halfpenny. Can't see right, still covered in muck. But George 5th or George 6th. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, I've got an 82 signal here. I've dug it out and it's out of oil. It's here somewhere. Come on. Oh, you come here, bugger. It's not easy with one hand. Right, it's in here. Let's have a look. Come on with it. There we go. It's a decimal 1 pence. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, got a lovely 78 signal here, so I'm going to do a live dig. I know it'll end up being some rubbish, but bugger it, don't matter, does it? Still 77, 78 signals, so it could be. I think I'll get that off 3 decimal half pennies, so bit of luck, unless something decent. Right, I think it's out at muck. Is that it? Oh yeah, hey up. Now then, that, it could, let me take that off. Oh, it's modern, sure it is. It says bleeding Umbro on it. Umbro, fuck me. I thought it was a watch winder. Umbro watch winder. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, I've got a 77, 78 signal here. I'm going to give you another live dig. You never know. Surely 2 out and 2 can't be crap. Hopefully not anyhow. Have a listen. I got a bit off there with pinpoint anyhow. Not too early. Right, edge of oil. So I went far off. I love live digs like that. Get in. That'll do me. Right, let's have a look what we got. Right, it's a George the 5th penny. George 5th penny. Have we got a date? 1920 something. My eyes are crap anyhow, so 1920 something. George 5th penny. I'm happy with that. Oh, that's not decimal, I don't mind. I hate decimal coinage when I'm detecting, unless the pound coins and £2 coins, and that's different. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, my next signal only gave me about 46, 47, so I thought, nah, I'm not going to risk a live dig on this. Look at that, right imprint. 5p piece, decimal, spendable. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, it's got a signal here, only mid, what were it? Like 40s. Say hello. Now, low to mid 60s. Right, got it out. Nothing wrong with that. I don't know what it is though. It's lead. Made of lead. So, no idea. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, 77, 78 here. So, I'm going to do another live dig. Here I go. Fucking hell. Still in oil. I don't use this right much, but handy when you're among roots, tree roots. There you go. From it anyhow, wherever it is. It's in here. Right. Bit of lead bit looks. Folded over lead. So no idea what it would have been. That's what you got. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, another piece of folded over lead. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, by the looks of this, it looks like a, I don't know, a fork or a spoon handle. It's a big bugger. Shaft it out. Ho 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 ho! That's massive. Right, let's pull that out, see if there's hotels in. Now, 76, 77 that gives me. That's massive. Get the size of that. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, staying to sit down now. Could do with a pot of tea, I'm gagging. I've been up there near the bus stop. People have been looking at me going out as though to say, he must be fucking crackers him. We've got that bit right. But just gonna have a drink. Happy we were having fun today. I ain't from a really ancient light, but been alright. The weather's fantastic. Sun blazing. I'm hoping it's like this Sunday. On Sunday, if it's like this Sunday, it'll be brilliant. And again on Wednesday. Forecast good for Wednesday, so I'm going back on that where I got my hammers from on Wednesday. Sunday, going on some new permission of Rob's. So, right, I'm not going to have much longer, but I'll get back to you on next dig. Right, next oil, next to hawthorn trees. Another piece of folded lead. I've just unfolded it, see if there's out inside or out now. Yeah, I found a few bits of folded lead today. Wonder why. Right, back to you in a bit. There you go, another piece of folded lead. Chuff knows what they're using these for, ain't a clue. I've got some age with it though. Creamy white patina on it. Right, back to you in a bit. Right, so a sweet signal here. 61. I thought, now then, hammered numbers. Dug it out, I thought, oh bloody hell, I wish you. But it's not, it's a buckle. Get in. And it's a beautiful buckle. Spectacle buckle, look at patina on that. Oh, get in, I'm chuffed to bits with that. Now that's made my day. That has made my day. Beautiful spectacle buckle. That'll do me beautiful, that. Rough guess, I'd say 1600s. Not 100% sure though, but I'll find out when I get one. Right, back to you in a bit.